Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay. So, I definitely feel like Spirit is asking some of you guys to have patience with the person that you've been dealing with, whether you're in a relationship, you're married, you were dealing with this person, but you're separated. There's something's just going on here. So, I mean, this person is definitely your true love. They're looking at you like you're it. But I feel like there's just been an obstacle here. You're definitely attracted to this person, and the person feels the same exact way about you. So, let's see. For some of you guys, this could definitely be somebody new coming in. I am picking up someone new, but honestly, for the collective, I do feel like it's the past person. But for some of you guys, I feel like Spirit is asking you guys just to have patience, because the person that you're going to be with, they're going to come in. But I feel like there's still some work that you need to do on your end, and this person is doing something on their end as well. I want to look at this. Yeah, this is screaming about the past right here. So, yeah. So, this is telling me that maybe an obstacle you guys were facing was just, this person was arguing with other people external to you guys. They were just moving really slow. But I feel like this person wants to come back and speak their truth to you. They want to open you. What is happening? They're trying to have the strength. Well, okay, let me just hop in. What is happening today? All right, let's just see. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but let's see. Alright. Here we go, Scorpio. So, overall energy, bottom of the deck, I have the 5 of Cups reversed. So, this is telling me that somebody's coming out of feeling sad about this situation. If someone took some type of financial loss, I feel like, see, the Hierophant tried to come out. Somebody's married. Somebody could be married, or this is you in a marriage dealing with your husband, your wife, and y'all are going through this right now, or whoever you're separated from, they want to marry you. So it's something, because there's the 10 of Cups. So this is telling me that this person wants a family with you. They definitely want wish fulfillment with you. I feel like they're trying to stay positive. The Magician tried to creep out. See? This person definitely wants a new beginning with you, Scorpio. Tell me more. They definitely do not want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. It's crossed with the Queen of Wands. So, the way she came out, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. So, tell me about the Queen of Wands. Let's see. This could be you guys just trying to stay positive. This could be someone else trying to interfere. But I feel like whoever messed up here, they definitely want to balance things out with you, Scorpio. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, this person that you were dealing with was very childish and immature. The way they handled things in the past is how you're looking at them. And because they know that they messed up, they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Because, see, they want to give you an offer, but you're looking at them like, whatever you're trying to give to me is not stable, it's not secure, and I don't want it. Because I feel like for some of you guys, you've given this person way too many chances. See? If you guys felt stuck in this situation, you're freeing yourself. Or this could just be their energy. Somebody's speaking up and saying something here. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But I feel like whoever wants to speak up and, tell the truth about a situation, they are isolating themselves right now because they don't know how you're going to take it. This person definitely wants to give you an offer here. Tell me more. But see, this is you. You guys, okay, you could be dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I just feel like, again, y'all are done. Y'all are tired of the nonsense. Y'all are tired of the drama. You're just to the point where this person has just pissed you off. They've hurt you. You're just done. You're tired of trying to open up to this person. You're tired of trying to work things out. See? The 3 of Cups is here. So let's see. I feel like maybe this person wants to take you out. They want to celebrate. Let's see. Tell me about this 3 of Cups. This person's worried and they're frustrated. Because I feel like you removed yourself from, out of their lives. And see, there's another 3, so there was a third party. And this is why this person is frustrated, because it's like they're trying to remove themselves from dealing with another person, whether it's another man or a woman, could be family, friends, whatever, but they're frustrated because now they know that you're not playing with them anymore. And see, they want things to improve. And see, I have 2 9s here. So I feel like whatever cycle that this person was in is coming to an end. Because see, this person was being sneaky in the past, and now they're cleaning up their act because they want things to work with you. Could be dealing with a Cancer. But I just feel like at this point, this person just isn't moving forward to tell you this right now. Because they don't know how you're going to take them. See, the Lover's card, the way that just came out, they're back and forth. So it's like some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini. I feel like this is the person that they love you. They want to be with you like your soulmates. But at the same time, this person has put you through hell. And they cause an imbalance. And you're like, you know what? I don't know if I would want to deal with this person. See what I'm saying, Scorpio? That's you. You could be dealing with another Scorpio, but you're looking at them like, I don't want a new beginning with you. I'm tired of going through this. This is stupid. See? Now this person doesn't know what they want to do or how to even approach the situation with you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like this person is trying to hold on to hope. And they're wanting to speak their truth. They're thinking like, okay, if I come back in and tell Scorpio everything or vice versa, maybe this person will not leave me. Maybe there's a fighting chance that we can get this together. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice in reverse, please. But see, I'm telling you, whoever messed up, they have a hard time showing their emotions. It's like they keep everything bottled in. You could definitely be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person was moving slow. And I feel like you guys are just frustrated by it. What is this? Yeah, see, some of you guys could have felt left out in the cold. And I feel like you're healing. You're coming out of that energy. Tell me more. Maybe this person feels left out in the cold because you guys left them or you just shut down. You're like, I'm not tolerating it anymore. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But see, this person, I feel like they are focused on their finances. There was just some type of focus on financial matters between the two of you. And so this person definitely wants to come back to give you the offer that you deserve because they do want a victory with you, Scorpio. See? They want happiness with you, and they definitely don't want you to walk away from them. Tell me more. But this person is in their head. They feel like they lost you. I feel like this person, it was just like a lot of like mental conflict with them. The Hierophant tried to jump out again. I'm telling you, somebody is either thinking about marriage, this is a commitment, or you guys are already married because it keeps trying to come out. See? This person wants to give you an offer, but they feel like you're going to turn it down. See, the truth. They're coming to speak their truth, or maybe the truth came out about something. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here. Somebody could also be dealing with an Aries, but I feel like this person wants stability with you. But see, they didn't bring balance to the table before. You guys were the ones putting in all the work in the situation. I see now you guys are just focusing on yourselves. You're like, you know what? I don't have time for this. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. And at this point, you just feel like things are just moving slow. And you're kind of like, okay, oh well, I don't care. I'm focusing on my own happiness, my own stability. See, I'm telling you, somebody's coming out of being frustrated about the situation because everything that you guys work for, you feel like it's not going anywhere. It's not growing. See, you're not content with the situation. Maybe somebody's not content about finances here, but see, I feel like you guys want to start and move in a new direction, but the person that you were dealing with, they want to start over and build something with you. See? They definitely want things to improve between the two of you guys. Tell me more. Yeah, this person is trying to manifest something with you. Now, I have 2 3s here. There could have been a third-party situation that was going on, and this is why you were arguing with this person. There was just a lot of conflict. See, there's the Hierophant. Clarify the Hierophant. Somebody's worried. Somebody's worried about their commitment or marriage. I'm telling you, I don't know who this is for. Somebody's scared you're going to walk away from this. I'm telling you, somebody's married. Somebody's married, or there's some type of like long-term commitment here, And whoever messed up, they are worried, they're scared to death that you are going to walk away from them. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. See? Because, yeah, they feel like you don't have a happy home. They messed up. Look, this person stabbed you in the back. And I just feel like you're healing. Look, see, 2 10. I'm telling you, this cycle that's been going on between the two of you is coming to an end. There's going to be a new cycle that's starting. Because, see, whoever messed up, this person is feeling guilty. They're feeling guilty for everything that they put you through. And so now it's like they're letting their guard down. They made a decision, and this decision is based off of their intuition. So they're finally listening to their intuition. But, see, they want to put in the work to fix things with you, Scorpio, but at the same time, they're holding back. And I feel like it's because of fear. See? This person definitely wants to speak their truth to you. There's communication coming in. They definitely want a new beginning. They want to have a peace of mind with you. Excuse me. But see, they know that you're disappointing them. There was definitely some type of third-party situation going on. There was somebody else interfering. Whether it's another man, woman, family, friends, career, there was just something here. And they know that they hurt you. And this is why they don't have the strength to really approach you about the situation anymore. See, there's the Empress. This person definitely wants a new beginning with you. But they're dragging their feet to tell you this. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, and there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. See, this person is not taking a leap. They definitely want a new beginning. They want to start over with you, but they're taking their time. See, they definitely want things to improve with you, but either you guys already broke things off with them and this is why they're hesitating, or the person that messed up, they have to break things off with someone else or other people in order for things to improve. So this person has made a decision. See, no, they're back and forth. It's like 1 minute they make a decision, the next minute they're still deciding on what to do, how to approach you. And I feel like it's not so much of trying to pick and choose who to move towards, you, family, friends, another man, woman. I don't feel like it's that. I feel like they made the decision as you. It's just more so trying to figure out what's the best way to fix the situation. Like, what do they have to do to win your trust? How can they start off the conversation? That's kind of what I'm picking up here. See? They're stuck. They're trying to decide. I'm telling you. This person is trying to decide, and this is why they're not talking. Communication is coming in slow. See? Every time they want to say something to you, they talk themselves out of it, and they just don't even open up. They don't say anything. But they definitely want to apologize. They're just not confident within themselves to do so. Because, see, they want to balance things out with you. But they keep thinking about what they did in the past. See, they want to give you an offer, but at the same time, they know that your guard is up, Scorpio. They know that you're tired, you're done. You're done with the BS. And so they are afraid if they come and give you this truth, or they tell you again how they feel, like, hey, I'm done playing games, or I'm done helping so-and-so. Like, I really want to work on the commitment, the marriage, whatever your situation is. You're like, I've heard this one too many times. Like, how many times are we going to keep going through this? But they definitely want to give you an offer that you deserve. I like how that just kind of flipped back over. I'm going to take it as both ways. See, this person is going to come back because they want to fix things with you, Scorpio. They want to turn things around, but because they messed up, they feel like, it's like, what can I do? There's no way he or she is going to take me back. They are keeping a close eye on you because they are, remember I told you before, excuse me, that they're scared that you're going to walk away from them. So this person is taking it day by day to come back towards you right now, to speak their truth. Yeah, see, this person is still going through karma. They haven't learned their lesson, and this is why they're not moving forward. The Tower. Oh, the universe is stepping in because, see, they're taking too long to make a move. See, now this person is coming out of being sad. See, they were moving slow. I'm telling you, the universe is stepping in. They're like, look, you need to get moving because I'm tired of you putting so-and-so through this. Like, you need to speak your truth, figure it out, make a move, because if not, we're going to bring somebody else in. They're no longer taking their sweet time to come back towards you and get it right. I'm telling you, this hasn't happened yet, but there's something that's getting ready to take place. And see, this person is getting ready to step up and make a move to make things right with you, Scorpio. So